Hey guys, welcome to my channel Baking with Nupur at Baker's Delight. Today I'm gonna show you how to make some easy marshmallows. To make these marshmallows, you need 30 grams of gelatin, half cup of water, you need to warm it a little bit, and room temperature water, half cup, 125 grams of sugar, and a little bit of icing sugar and corn flour mix for dusting. Here I've taken two colors, turquoise and pink. And I've taken bubblegum essence because I really love bubblegum. You can take any other flavor that you like. In the warm water, I'm gonna mix this gelatin and let it bloom for about 10 minutes. So let's start by adding the gelatin into the water. Take a spoon and just mix it around. Mix, and that's it. I've taken a silicone mold and I've just brushed a little bit of vegetable oil into them. Now see, the gelatin is blooming wonderfully. Now we'll move on to our gas. On the pan, I'm gonna add the sugar and the water and let it simmer in medium heat. That's the half cup water we left in room temperature. And just mix it all together. Just let this simmer in medium heat. There. Just keep checking, okay? Because we are looking for a string consistency. That's it. That's the string consistency. Now I'm going to add the gelatin that's bloomed. And keep on mixing in medium flame for about a minute or two. Shouldn't be too long, and that's the consistency that you're looking for. See how it's dropping like a string from the spatula? That is the point where you turn off your gas. It's ready. Now take a bowl and just transfer it. We're gonna let this cool in room temperature for about 5 to 6 minutes, and then we are gonna whisk it. So now that it's cooled down for about 6-7 minutes, I'm gonna take a whisk attachment, a hand mixer, and I'm gonna whisk it just until a ribbon consistency, guys, not more. So now as you can see, it's falling into a ribbon. So in this I'm gonna add the essence, the bubblegum essence, just a few drops. Whisk it once more and add the color. Just a drop, that's all you need. And now whisk in the color. I added a little bit of the mixture in a different bowl, and now I'm mixing it with blue color. And now I'm gonna pour this into our prepped molds. So I'm just gonna pour it into the molds. You can fill it if you like, or if you want a 2-in-1 color, you can do like I am doing. Once you've filled them, you need to tap it really nicely and take out all the air bubbles, okay? And then we are gonna let this rest for 4 hours. Now after 4 hours, I'm gonna take a little bit of corn flour and icing sugar mix, and I'm just gonna dust it, take it out, dust again, and then you can cut them into fine slices, whatever shape you like. See how soft and spongy they are? They are really smooth and soft. Just perfect marshmallows. That's it. That's what we are looking for. I've dusted all the excess corn flour mix, and see how beautiful and spongy it is. Just love the texture and love the way it tastes. It's just beautiful, guys. You just have to try this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video really helped you, and I hope you're gonna make some very soon. But if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Until next time, thank you.